Good morning, students. Today in this class we just discuss some important formulas and its proof. Okay, these formulas are very useful in our state board point of view and JE point of view also. In objective point of view also, we can apply these formulas. Okay, it is very useful to us. Okay, so that formulas are, that means we are solving that formulas by using of by parts method. Okay, so that formula is evaluate integration of e to the power of ax into sine of bx plus c into dx. E to the power of ax into sine of bx plus c. Bx plus c means it is a first order polynomial. E to the power of ax. Okay, so we have to solve this integral value. Okay, so in the solution you just here I am taking that I equal to integral of e to the power of ax into sine of bx plus c into dx. Okay, so here I am using the formula by parts method. It is exponential function, it is trigonometric function according to the ILATE. Okay, here I am taking that this function as u and this function as v. So here I am applying the by parts method. U into, that means sine of bx plus c into integration of e to the power of ax into dx minus differentiation of sine, that means I can take that cos of, okay, so here I am taking that cos of bx plus c into bx plus c differentiation is b and integration of e to the power of ax into dx, this total into dx. Okay, so e to the power of ax integration value is e to the power of ax by a into sine of bx plus c minus, here b is the constant, integration of, here integration value is e to the power of ax by a into cos of bx plus c, this total into dx. In our next step I can take that e power of ax by a sine of bx plus c minus b by a into integration of e to the power of ax into cos of bx plus c into dx. Just observe that here also we are having the two functions, exponential function, trigonometric function. Here also I am taking, this is the u and this is the v. Okay, this is the u and this is the v. Again here we have to apply the by parts method. E to the power of ax by a into sine of bx plus c minus b by a into, okay, in the bracket I am taking the, I am applying the uv formula. U into u means cos of bx plus c into integration of e to the power of ax into dx minus integration of cos of bx plus c, that integration differentiation value is sine of bx plus c into b, integration of e power ax into dx, this total into dx. Okay, here I am closing the bracket. So e power ax by a sine of bx plus c minus, just apply here b by a into e power of ax by a into cos of bx plus c. Okay, minus of minus plus, plus into minus, minus b by Here b is there, here also constant b is there, so b square by a into integration of, I am taking this value outside, integration of e power ax is e power ax by a into sin of bx plus c, this total into dx. Okay, so this is the value of I. So I equal to e power ax by a into sin of bx plus c minus b by a square into e power ax into cos of bx plus c minus b square by a square into the remaining total value I am taking I. Okay, just take this value into this side, okay, this term into this side, and take the common 1 plus b square by a square in equal to e power ax by a into sin of bx plus c minus b by a square into e power ax into cos of bx plus c. Okay, so you just take here I into a square plus b square LCM by a square equal to e power ax by a sin of bx plus c minus b square by a square into e power ax. Here you can take the e power ax common, better, e power ax by, in these two terms I can take the a is the common, or a square is the common, so a sin of bx plus c minus b into cos of bx plus c. Okay, so I can take, this is the common, a square get cancelled. So what is the I? That means integral value is e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx plus c plus, not plus, minus b cos of bx plus c. Okay, so this is the value plus one constant, arbitrary constant I am taking as k. Okay, actually it is a long answer question if we prove that. So it is having the more steps. I am taking the main important steps only. I will explain it again. Just observe here. Here I am applying the by parts method. Okay, u into integration of v minus integration of, here du by dx, okay, into integral of v dx, this total into dx. Okay, if any constants are there, you just take that constant into outside. Okay, if we take the outside, again I am getting the another integral value. It is also having the two functions. Here also we have to apply the uv formula again, integration of uv formula again. That means here I am having the two terms. After writing the two terms, just take the constant values outside and multiply it by minus b by a. Okay, so after doing this, here again we are getting the two terms, but the term is I am taking as I, because integration of e power ax into sin of bx plus c into dx I can take I. Okay, so that value b square by a into a, that value b square by a square. Here our left hand side we are having the I, our right hand side also we are having I term. So just take that value into this side and take the LCM, and that's common. Okay, in these two terms we can take that e power ax by a square is the common. Okay, after taking that common, I am getting these values. On both sides I am cancelling the a square. I am taking a square plus b square into that side. Finally I am getting that solution. Okay, so this is our solution process. Okay, so after completing of all this, I am writing the formulas. Okay, so now I am erasing this process, solution process. Finally I will write the formula. So you can take like this. The formula is integration of e to the power of ax into sine of bx plus c, this total into dx equal to e to the power of ax by a square plus b square. Okay, a sine of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c. Okay, plus one constant compulsory. Don't take c because that letter c, that already it is having in the our problem. So you can take, you have to add the one arbitrary constant. I am taking k is the arbitrary constant. Okay, important formula. Like this you can write the another formula also. You can solve another formula also. Cos of bx plus c, e power ax into cos of bx plus c into dx. So this value is e power ax by a square plus b square. Same process. Here a cos of bx plus c. Here we are getting the plus sign. B sine of bx plus c. This total plus k. Okay. So these are the two important formulas. Okay. I can take one application also. Evaluate e to the power of 4x into cos of 3x into dx. Okay, suppose this type of problem is given, e power 4x into cos of 3x. So here what is the a value here? E power, just compare. Okay, compare with e power ax into cos of bx plus c into dx. Here what is the a value? What is the a value? 4. What is the b value? 3. What is the c value? 0. Okay, what is the c value? 0. So just write down the formula and apply that. What is the solution? You can write very easily. E power of ax, that means 4x by, okay, a square plus b square, 4 square plus 3 square, okay, into a cos, 4 cos of bx plus c, that means 3x only, plus b sine of bx plus c, 3x plus k. So our answer is, final answer is e power 4x by 16 plus 9, 25, 4 cos 3x plus 3 sine 3x plus k or c also, that is your choice. I am taking k. So whatever it may be here, that means in sometimes if c value is also there, you just write down at the place of bx plus c as it is function. Understand? If c value equal to 0, you just write down same value, cos of 3x is given like that. Understand? That means if we are having the good idea on the formula, we can easily solve the problems like this. Otherwise we have to apply the here uv formula. Internally we have to apply two times. Finally also we are getting the solution. Understand? If you are having the good comment on the formula, we can easily apply that value. That means, for example, if very short answer questions like that, if the question is given, we just write down the formula and we have to apply that. What is the a value, b value, c value, and just apply that. Okay, in long answer type questions, you just do the process and solve the solution. Understand? So like that you can solve the problems, and these two are most important formulas. Okay, right. So already we discussed the solution of this process. Okay, you can try this also. Okay, right. Thank you.